For years, video games have implemented things known as physics engines in order to emulate the motion of objects in an environment as realistically as possible. However, due to the infinite complexity of the laws of physics in our universe, the best we can do at this point is a close approximation. One of the more notable of these physics engines is the Source engine, developed by Valve Corporation and used in Team Fortress 2, one of their popular online first-person shooters. Here we see the Scout, one of Team Fortress 2's many classes. He is the most nimble of the classes, and used a sawed-off shotgun and a baseball bat. As you are about to see, he also has another, very peculiar skill. Observe as he tries to traverse this gap. As you can see, it does not seem like he will be able to make it across. He's at the peak of his jump, meaning that he has no kinetic energy. This in turn means that he will not be able to gain any more altitude. However, being the annoying prick he is, the Scout completely ignores this by performing a double jump. To calculate the total energy of the baseball, we must combine the potential energy and the kinetic energy. At the peak of its arc, the baseball has a maximum potential energy and no kinetic energy. The formula to calculate potential energy is mass multiplied by height multiplied by acceleration due to gravity. Assuming that the ball is roughly 1.5 kilograms and is 10 meters in the air, this gives the ball 150 joules of potential energy at the peak of its arc. By the time it impacts the ground, that will mean 150 joules of kinetic energy. Given that the human skull fractures at only 60 joules, that is very bad news for this poor fellow. This is yet another of Team Fortress 2's classes, the Soldier, suspended in midair. Now I know what you're thinking. How did he get up there? That information has been deemed irrelevant. What is relevant, however, is the formula for potential energy. Here we can calculate it the same way. Let us assume that the soldier weighs 90 kilograms and is at an altitude of 4 meters. 90 times 4 times 10, the acceleration due to gravity, equals 3,600 joules of potential energy? That has got to hurt.
Terrific.